Do you want to know how you can add your phone number on your Remitly account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your phone number on your Remitly account. Go ahead and open Remitly, which is on your phone. After you open Remitly, you must log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up to Remitly now. After you have logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. What you need to do to add your phone number is go to Manage, then go to Profile. Then you can see the Add Phone Number option. Go ahead and click Add. Select your area code or search for it, and then write down your phone number. After you do so, click on Save. And there you go. This is how you add your phone number on Remitly. Let me show it to you once again. Open Remitly, go to Manage, go to Profile, and then tap on Phone Number. Go ahead and select your area code, write down your phone number, and click Save. After that, you can easily add or change your phone number on Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.